today I'm going to be doing a video on this Numatic Bertie that I unboxed a few weeks ago now. This one is the PSP 200A from the 28th week of 2014, and after a clean it's come up pretty well. I mean, it's still quite scratched and scuffed, but what can you do? It's a 4-year-old machine that looks to be used commercially. It now has both wheel caps. Luckily I had one spare, so that was good. The cable is fine, just a standard 2-core new cable that would be fitted to like changes and stuff for this era, and even now they're fitted. It literally just screws in the top here with like a little clamp, and it goes into this kind of hook thing on the side. It has the on, off and auto save buttons. The twin speed still works, which is good. Also has a parking bracket. Let's just take it apart. Under here it's pretty clean. As you remember, it was quite dirty before, just a little bit scratched and stuff, where it's probably been emptied. And I've also polished the bottom of the motor, so that's pretty spotless now. The filter has been through the washing machine and it's come up alright. I mean, I don't know why it's got a few little stains on it, but perhaps it's just from the bag that's in it. And then we have the same HEPA flow that we fitted in the last video, although this one, although now it is quite full with stuff, so I've been using this all week. Let's put it back together, like so. Like it over there. So here's the tools that it originally have come with. 2 aluminium tubes. These ones are quite battered up because I use these quite a lot. The bent aluminium tube with the suction valve. 2.4 metre hose, but with the longer cuff. This one's just short cuff with like a 90s style clip ring from my 90s vacs. And then of course the combination 300mm throttle. I managed to get this literally a day after I got the vacuum. It's the right style and everything, with the parking bracket on the back. I found a mint condition Henry micro being chucked out, so I had that. Took that off. I took the motor out of it for another, I think it was my dad's friend's Hoover. Needed a new motor, so I had the motor out of it for that, and now it's just sitting in the shed awaiting whatever. So there we go, there's the machine. I mean, all the tools parked on the back, and everything. The only thing it is missing is the thing that goes on top of the kind of cage, but I do prefer it without that. I think it just looks a bit more better. So let's just plug it in over here, and we'll just quickly show it in action. Nothing's changed really from the last time, but in case you haven't seen the other video, it's just, you know, auto save Henry in a different body. So turn it on. Very quiet actually. Turn it up, so there the light will come on as well. Already hoovered in here today, so I don't really need doing again, but I'll just do it anyway for the purpose of this video. Just unplug it quickly, and we'll strap the cable up from the machine. It's a bit more harder with these machines to wrap the cable up due to where the new plug is. Even on the older style castle tops with the new plug. They were a bit of a pain. But the original hardwired ones from the early 2000s were quite good. You could just kind of rest the cable in there, it didn't really come out. So there we go. So that's it, there we go. There was that. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have, please of course like and subscribe. And get this back on the back. Don't like these pipe brackets. And there we go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and of course, bye for now.